Hello everyone and welcome back to my pen pal with me video. So I'm starting off with these two envelopes that I made myself, and the first one is going to be decorated with a pink theme and the second one is going to be decorated with a more blue theme. If you want to know where I got any of the stationery from, I highly recommend you watch my previous stationery hauls that I posted before, and it's really good and I gotta promote myself some way somehow. I'm making this first envelope for Lolo, and if you watch any of my previous pen pal with me videos, I always make a pen pal letter for her, so of course she's gonna be in this one as well. So I'm just trying to make sure that I have enough space to put my return address and the stamps once it's time to send this envelope off. And now I'm going to move to the next one, which is going to be for Mary, my new pen pal, which she told me her favorite color is teal, and I was trying to find all the blue stationery I could find to make this super cute and aesthetically pleasing for her. I'm actually excited to have Mary as my pen pal because she was super patient with me and we met on Instagram, and that's how I found my pen pals. If you want to find pen pals or anybody that you can do stationery swap with, I highly recommend you get to know people on Instagram and actually find people that do this all the time. If you want to know where I got the washi tape from, it was from Etsy. But I'm trying to make this envelope as blue and cute as possible with a hint of pink because the girl sticker, as you're gonna see, is super cute and it really motivated me to make this envelope. I didn't really have a certain theme in mind. I usually coordinate with a certain color, but this time it just went out of my hands and somehow it turned out nicely. I hope that makes sense. But if you're looking for a pen pal, I highly recommend go on Instagram and get to know people and see if they're open for accepting new pen pals, because you'll be surprised on how the nicest people you meet in this community. Pen paling has been such a good outlet for me, especially for a person that doesn't really talk much, and it has gotten me so motivated to talk a lot. I made these bubble letters off camera because it took up a lot of time, but it also matched the theme, and I'm using my favorite glue stick, which is green apple scented. You guys, I love scented stuff and especially glue sticks. I wish I could buy a whole bundle of this glue because it smells so good, and I wish you guys could smell it too. I'm adding more decorations because I think the bubble letters need to stand out more. I think it's a little plain, so I'm trying to make it more bold. And these stickers from 5 and Below, which I highly recommend you buy stickers from 5 and Below. They have the cutest selection ever. I didn't realize that these stickers had months on it. I know it's not May anymore, but I had to add it anyways because it was blue and it was cute. Now I'm adding some little decoration twinkles, which I think it really made it stand out a lot more. And then I just cut out these heart shape heart papers to make it cuter. I'm going back to Lola's letter so I can add the girl sticker, and which they're my favorite, and I got those from Temu. I know she's a little bit more blue color, but she has pink elements in her shirt, which is super cute. And next I made some bubble letters for her name as well, and I outlined them with my gel pen off camera, and I'm just trying to put it all in there while also making sure that I have space underneath her name to add her address, because international addresses are so long compared to United States addresses. So it took me a while to get used to that and trying to write it out in clear for the post office worker to see what it is. But let me know if you have international pen pals or pen pals from United States. I have a mixture of both, and I'm very grateful to my pen pals because they're super patient with me, because international letters take a long time to get to them. It really is fun when it gets delivered on time. And I'm just adding these little stars that I hole punched myself. Now it's done. The first envelope is finished and I love how it turned out. The second envelope is done as well, and let me know which one you like best. So I'm gonna make a folder out of this paper that I found in my stash, and I'm just reusing all of my scraps from previous things that I used to make pockets and a belly band. I usually use double-sided tape in these type of projects to make sure everything is secured, so once I put it in the envelope to ship out to my pen pals, that nothing will move. But this time I have to use like a glue stick and it's a little messy, but I'm making sure it's like extra secured. Now I like making these like miniature pockets like for the side because it's actually a lot of fun, and I'm just winging the measurements, so you can actually do the same thing, but I'm adding a little mini envelope to the side. So now I'm just trying to glue the last bit of these pockets together, and I made a little hole in the middle so it can look a little bit more professional, and I'm closing them shut to make sure that they close the same way as when I didn't have the pockets in. I'm using this Velcro stuff to like keep it shut once all the goodies get inside, and it actually worked, so you don't always have to measure, but don't be like me and measure. I'm adding my last pocket and I made like a little cut in the middle with my scissors. I wish I had a hole puncher or something to like get it really centered. And now it's done. Now I'm going to show you my first folder that I made, which I regret I didn't show on camera, but the pockets are kind of similar but also the same. But let me know which pocket you like. I wish I could have cut a little like opening in the middle of that, but you live, you learn. I really like how they both turned out and they're super cute, and now I'm just trying to show you all the stickers that I'm going to be sending off to both of my pen pals, and this is my favorite portion of the video, is just packing all these stickers. Now these are my little playlists. Like I have this like stamp as a playlist that I just cut out myself, and I'll just add in my favorite music. So I decided to just glue it on the side since this folder already has like an extra pocket. Then I made this like miniature envelope to hold the washi tape samples. I'm just trying to find a perfect spot to put it, but I think I'm gonna put it in the middle because it's just so freaking cute. So they can just slide it in and slide it out. Now I'm adding the stickers and ephemera for Mary's folder and making sure nothing is bulky. I added this sticker sheet, which I got it from Five and Below for $1. I highly recommend you guys to buy stickers from Five and Below because they have the best sales ever. And I made this like little miniature envelope like how I did the first one to hold the washi tape, and I'm going to be put in the same position so it can just be easy access. And now I'm just going to be adding all the sticky notes and memo pads that I think they could use for future pen pal letters or videos. I added more stationery in these folders off camera. But I'll just show the like nice part because this video is a little too long. And then I just put some hearts as like minimal decoration. I put this or that in there, and I put questions and answer where the belly band is to hold it in place, and I'm done. Everything is packaged well and it looks so good, and I just hope that they love it, and I can't wait for my pen pals to receive their pen pal letters. So at the last minute, I decided to like stamp these little miniature pockets and decorate a little tiny bit. And I got this stamp from Temu. It's sold out now, but if it comes back, I'll link it down below. But they're finally done, and I just love how they turned out. Let me know which one is your favorite pen pal letter, and follow me on Instagram because I post a lot more pen pal content on there. And if you need inspiration for pen pal letters, just follow me on my social medias. I'm gonna be adding a face mask because it's super adorable and cute, and I love sending my pen pals face masks and little goodies like that. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful summer. Goodbye.